Assalamu alaikum Monster class. Hope all are in a good health and enjoying the studies at home. Monster class. Today we have in sensorial exercises activity cylinder blocks. But before start our activity, let's discuss about sensorial exercises. These exercises are for the betterment and improvement of senses like taste, touch, smell, hearing, and sight. In this activity, kids can be messy, engaging, fun, and easy to put together. Through work with the sensorial materials, the child is given the keys to classify the items around him, which leads the child making his own experiences in his environment. These are the cylinders. You can see that, Monty class, these are different 10 cylinders with their knobs and used to hold each object using the pincher grip. You can see that all cylinders have different sizes. This activity engages the sense of touch and sight. Okay, kids, are you ready? Now let's start the activity. Monty class, you can see that all the cylinders are inside their blocks according to their sizes, and you can see that they have different sizes. Now I'm going to take out them from this socket. Now I'm going to take out these cylinders with the help of my two fingers and one thumb. You can see that. Now Monty class, I'm going to put back in their socket according to their sizes. You can see that the first one is this. You can see that this is big than other cylinders and very thick from other cylinder. Now you can see their sizes. Now Monty class, tell me which one is biggest? Which one is biggest block? Yes, this one is biggest. Now I'm going to put inside this. The next one is bigger. You can see that this is also thick but little bit thick than inside this one, this block. We will put inside this block. Now we will find the next one. You can see, firstly we will see the size of this block, then we will find according to their size. This one is big than the other cylinder. Now I'm going to put inside this. Now Monty class, which one is big? This one is big other than cylinders. Now check out the block. The block is here. We put inside this. Then the other one is, which one is big than other? This one is big. And we put inside according to their size. The next one is, with the help of my three fingers, I'm putting down inside this. And now the smallest one starts. And the last one is smallest. You can see that I put all the cylinders according to their sizes. Cylinders are one of the most easiest and delightful Montessori sensorial activity. Kids love to hear the sound of each cylinder makes. Beginning discoverers will be content to shake the cylinders. I hope all children enjoy this activity. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.